Greetings to all Google Play users. In this video, we will learn together how to change the country in Google Play Store. This process is useful if you have moved to a new country or simply want to access apps and services specific to another region. Let's dive into the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Play app on your device. Once inside, find and click on your account picture in the top right corner of the screen. Within the menu, select Payments and Subscriptions, and then Payment Methods. This is where we will begin the process to change the country associated with your account. Once in Payment Methods, find and select More Payment Settings. This will open the browser with the Google Payment Center. In the top left corner of the screen, press the three vertical stripes to access the menu. Within the menu, select Settings. Here you will find all your account details. To change the country, press the pencil icon next to the Country option. Then, select the blue letters that say Create New Profile. Continue the process, click on Continue, and here you will be able to select the new country you wish to change to. Just select it and follow the instructions that Google tells you. And that's it. You have successfully changed the country on your Google Play Store. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or if there are any topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments. See you next time.